Hello there! Welcome back to Matuto channel. Again, this is Teacher Jailer, and for this third video, we'll be discussing about the complement of sets. But on our previous video about the intersection of sets na ako gihatag nga practice exercises. Let us see, katong inyong gitry og solve, og check ba to inyong answer. Okay, we have the given set A, which is the set of all x that are element of the natural number such that x is less than 6. For set B, which is the set of all x that are element of natural numbers such that x is greater than or equal to 3 but less than 8. Again, pag pangitaon na to ang intersection or union, pagdaon sa nato daan, unsa nga elements ang nani A ug ni B, kung yung nani gani ang given. Okay, unsa kayo ang natural numbers gani? Yes, they are counting numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So, unsa kayo nga natural numbers ang less than 6? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 only. For set B, unsa kayo nga x is greater than or equal to 3 daw. So, sugod ta ni 3. But less than 8. So, 3, 4, 5, 6, tama ra ta ni 7. So, unsa may common ani nga element na ani A ni B? Yes, 3, 4, and 5. Therefore, A intersect B is 3, 4, and 5. Good job! Talking about the complement of set, so, we have here given set A. It is written or denoted as A prime, A or A complement. Ang pagsulatan na siya yung murag bar sa ibabaw. Pwede pod A, dayon nata yung murag letter C sa ibabaw. So, para common, di nata maglisod, prime lang ang ato ibutang. This is the set of all elements found in the universal set, but that are not found in set A. So, kaning video, mao ni siya, maayo ni siya, katubit ang hilig mangita sa wala. Charot lang. So, pangitaon na to ang wala ni A, mo na siya A complement. In set builder notation, A prime or A complement is the set of all x that are element of the universal set such that x is not an element of A. So, pangitaon na ito ang wala ni A. Therefore, si x ani dire, dili siya element ni A, pero element siya ni universal set. Okay, example. Okay, nanay mga ngalan sa mga artista. Universal set, we have Tiffany, Jade, Mika, Ada, Lucilda, Lily, Kent, Joey, Desiree. Set A, natay Jade, Ada, Lily. Unsa may wala ni A ani nga given? You're right. Si Tiffany, Mika, Liselda, Kent, Joey, og Desiree. So, ana ra ka-simple mangita sa complement. Pagitaon na to ang wala ni A. Next, we have the universal set from 0 to 9 or mga digits din sila. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, set A natay 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Mga odd numbers. Okay, unsa man tong A prime or A complement? Okay, mga odd numbers nga naa sa universal set which is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Therefore, based on the given, ang A prime or A complement nato ani is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. As easy as that. Ana ra pagpangita. For this complement of sets, we have the so-called DeMorgans Law, which says that for two sets A and B, which are subsets of a set universal set, we have the following. So, the A union B prime is equal to A prime intersect B prime. Okay, and also, A intersect B prime is equal to A prime union B prime. Let us see if this is really correct. We have an example, okay. Nata union nga that contains elements that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sa atong set A, natay 1, 2, and 3. Sa set B, natay 2, 3, and 5. Again, let us simplify first the left-hand side, which is A union B prime, katong sa atong una nga DeMorgans Law, which is A union B prime is equal to A prime intersect B prime. So, unsa man atong A union B ani? Puno na to ang si A ug si B. That is 1, 2, 3, and 5. Unsa may wala ni A union B nga naa ni universal set? Yes, you're right. 4 ug 6 only. So, A union B prime is only 4 and 6. Let us see, og 4 ug 6 ra ba gihapon ang nasa right-hand side. Okay, let us simplify first. A prime. Unsa man ang A prime? Unsa wala ni A nga naa ni universal set? Okay, 4, 5, and 6. Unsa po'y elements nga ni B prime? So, unsa man ang wala ni B? Mo na siya B prime. Okay, so 1, 4, and 6. Unsa may intersection ana ni A prime ug B prime? Yes, 4 ug 6 gihapon. Therefore, A union B prime is equal to A prime intersect B prime. So, atong first DeMorgans Law is correct based on our example. Second, DeMorgans Law. A intersect B prime is equal to A prime union B prime. So, using the same given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for our universal set. For A, 1, 2, 3. For B, 2, 3, and 5. Okay, simplify first nato itong sulod sa parenthesis, which is sa left hand side nato is A intersect B. Unsa may intersection na A ug ni B ani nga given? Yes, 2 and 3. Unsay may wala ni A intersect B nga nani universal set mo na siya A intersect B prime. That is 1, 4, 5, and 6. Let us see on the right hand side og 1, 4, 5, and 6 bagihapon. So, A prime, natay 4, 5, and 6. B prime, 1, 4, and 6. Okay. A prime union B prime. Puno na to ang tanang elements nga nani A ug nani B. Okay. 1, 4, 5, and 6. That is why A intersect B prime is equal to A prime union B prime. That is right. Okay. We have also properties of the operation complement. First property is called the complement law. So, A na to nga complement law is A union A prime is just equal to the universal set. And B, A intersect A prime is null set. And let us see. We have here an example. Ang atong universal set, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And sa A na to 1, 2, and 3. Unsa may wala ni A? Yes, 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, ang union ni A ug ni A prime is just equal to the universal set. Kay punon man nato si 1, 2, ug 3 o si A prime nga 4, 5, ug 6. Therefore, A union A prime is just equal to the universal set. So, correct ato ang is first complement law. Second, A intersect A prime. Unsa may di ba ang A prime na to 4, 5, and 6. Ang atong A kay 1, 2, ug 3. Di ba wala sila intersection? Therefore, A intersect A prime is null set. Okay. Second property is the law of double complementation. So, i-double complement na to ang A. Therefore, A prime ana pagid niya is just equal to A. So, let us see. We have again the same given universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And A, 1, 2, and 3. Unsa may A prime ani, di ba? 4, 5, and 6. Unsa may wala ni A prime? Yes, ang wala ni A prime based sa atong universal set is just equal to 1 and 3, which is, sa atong given, that is A. Therefore, A complement of the complement, or the complement of A prime, is A. Okay, ang complement of prime, pwede maglibog, maura na siya ha. Okay, so, law of empty set and universal set. We have first, the complement of a null is just equal to the universal set. So, unsa man ang wala ni ang complement ni null or ang wala ni null, di ba? Ang universal set. So, if the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so may wala anak niya. Okay, that is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or unsa may wala ni null set based on the given. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Magyapon. It's because the complement of any empty set is the universal set. Therefore, null set prime or null complement is just equal to the universal set. Tanan ni siya, applicable ni siya in any given. Next, universal set prime or U complement is just equal to null set. So, baliktad ra silang duha. Okay. Unsa may wala ni universal set? Diba wala? Or unsa may complement ni universal set? Diba wala? Therefore, U prime or U complement is null because the complement of the universal set is the empty set. Okay? Wow! Anad na to sa tong practice exercise. Kadali ra ba na to mahuman? Ay, okay. Given A is a subset of the universal set. Let universal set is the set of all x such that x is an element of the natural number. And for set A, natay is the set of all x that are element of natural number such that x is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 8. For set B is the set of all x that are element of natural numbers such that x is less than 97. Okay, fine. Duha tong pangitaon. Pangitaon na to si A prime, pangitaon na to si B prime. Okay, drop all your answers again in the comment section and see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you!